Hello kids and welcome to today's session. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. The chapter for today's session is multiplication by using tables. Now children, we have in the previous sessions we covered the tables from 1 to 10. Now you have to use these tables to solve the sums. Now the first question given to you is 5 into 5. So recall the table of 5. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 3 equals to 15. 5 into 4 equals to 20. And 5 into 5 equals to 25. So you will write 25 here. Next is 1 into 4 equals to 1 into 4 equals to, recall the table of 1. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 3 is 3. And 1 into 4 equals to 4. Next, 4 into 5. Recall the table of 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 into 3 equals to 12. 4 into 4 equals to 16. 4 into 5 equals to 20. Next is 2 into 7. 2 into, now 2, you have to recall the table of 2. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 equals to 8. 2 into 5 equals to 10. 2 into 6 equals to 12. 2 into 7 equals to 14. So you will write 14 by recalling the multiplication tables. Next is 10 into 1. So 10 into 1 equals to 10. Next, 5 into 4 equals to, recall the table of 5. 5 into 1 equals to 5. 5 into 2 equals to 10. 5 into 3 equals to 15. 5 into 4 equals to 20. So you will write 20. Now next take 6 into 2 equals to, 6 into 1 equals to 6. 6 into 2 equals to 12. Next 3 into 3. 3 into 1 equals to 3. 3 into 2 equals to, tell me. 6. 3 into 3 equals to 9. So you will write 9. Now next is 4 into 2. So 4 into 1 equals to 4. 4 into 2 equals to 8. Next 9 into 2. 9 into 1 equals to 9. 9 into 2 equals to 18. Next 3 into 2. So 3 into 1 equals to 3. 3 into 2 equals to 6. Next, 7 into 5. 7 into 1 equals to 7. 7 into 2 equals to 14. 7 into 3 equals to 21. 7 into 4 equals to 28. 7 into 5 equals to 35. So you will write 35. Next, 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24. 5 into 3 equals to 15. 3 into 1 equals to 3. 2 into 5 equals to 2 into 1 equals to 2. 2 into 2 equals to 4. 2 into 3 equals to 6. 2 into 4 equals to 8. And 2 into 5 equals to 10. So you will write 10 here. I hope children now you're able to multiply the numbers using the multiplication table. With this is the end. I'll see you in the next session.